Welcome, welcome to Mama Joan house where it's hot, and when I said hot, I mean it's hot like a scotch bonnet pepper. Today, my people, me have a epic, a sweet prank when me I go pull pan Cyan today. So today, guys, I am going to run a prank pan Cyan. Said I didn't want her at my house, and her father after pay me big money to keep her here. You know, guys, you know I love me Sai very much, but this little girl always a come with her poo video or all kind of video them. But you know what? I am getting very, very wicked. Okay, guys, so stay tuned. Okay, guys, D'Angelo called me and he's on his way. So you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna go set up the camera till him come, because you know what, guys, this thing is on like a donkey gun. Okay, all right.
Relax for a second. Oh my goodness. Grandma! You didn't even come. At least let me come inside first.
What?
So,
What
yeah.
is this that he's telling me about? You
Yes,
he paid you money for me to stay at the house?
Cyan.
Well, enough sense, yeah. Okay.
So that you didn't want me here? You wanted him to pay
You,
pay
Cyan.
you extra
Okay, you
amount?
want to talk? You want to talk about this? Sit down. You want to talk about this? Sit down. If this is what you want to do, you want
What
to
are
talk about
you
this.
doing? What are you doing in the room? You need to leave. I already talked to you already.
No, Cyan. You want to sit down and let's talk.
I said that I wanted to come. I said I would walk if I needed to. I just need you to drop me off. Why did you come inside? I need you to get out because I just want to talk to her one-on-one. I already talked to you, so now let me talk to her because I'm trying to. If I sit down here and I try to talk to her with you here, you're gonna be giving her a little, oh, don't say that, in the back behind my head.
I want to say one thing before I leave. I want to say one thing. Can I at least say one thing before I leave? Tell the truth. Tell the truth. That's all I got. Yeah, tell the truth.
What kind of truth?
That's all I'm telling you. Tell the truth. Tell the truth about what it is. Tell the truth.
So my dad said that.
Yeah.
That you make him pay extra amounts of money for me to stay in here like this is a hotel and I wasn't just welcome here. So you wanted me out, so you made him pay extra amounts of money for me to stay here. He said that you're making him pay $1,500 to $2,000 a week.
A week?
Yes, he said you were making him pay extra amounts because you didn't want me here.
Okay. Your father said if I tell you the truth, this is me now. Can you angle the truth? Can you
I'm gonna
angle
have
the
to.
truth?
I'm gonna have to because I want the truth.
Well, Cyan.
See that? That's why I said I never said nothing about $1,000 to $2,000 a week. I didn't say nothing like that. You need to tell the truth too.
You said that.
This is the thing, Cyan. You've been here a long time. You go and you come and you go and you come, and 1 minute you're here, the next minute you're not here.
Okay.
Okay. And me never mind having you here, you know, because you use my granddaughter. You know, any one of my grandkids them can come here and stay here. You understand me?
Right.
But at the same time, you know, you eat a lot, you cause a lot of problem. You
So all
understand
you
me?
need to say was you didn't want me here and I would have just not came.
You never asked me.
So then you were then using me
okay.
so that you
Can
get
I
your
talk?
little bread.
Can I talk? In the first place, you didn't ask me if you can come here. You just show up here, said you're tired of your parents them and you want to spend some time here. You never call and make no arrangement with me. Say, okay, grandma, can I come here and stay here? You never make no arrangement. You just show up, okay? So when you just show up, you're here, you eat a lot of food. You understand me?
I just can't believe it.
First of all, you are vegetarian. It's very expensive to feed vegetarian.
Well, I'm not vegetarian anymore.
Can I just talk? Maybe I have to explain things to you to make you know. You say you're a vegetarian. It cost me a lot of money for buy vegetarian food for eat for
So
you
the
at
only
the
reason
time.
why I was here was
Can
because
I
he was
talk?
paying me.
Huh?
So the only reason why I was here was because my dad was paying you.
Well, can I just finish talk? Because you just want to just get to the point. Me cannot just get to the point. Me just have to tell you how the situation is. You understand me? You eat a lot of food. You understand me? Me have to quarrel with you for clean up your room. As me say, you just show up here. You never ask me for coming. Just show up.
So I was a burden to come into here, and so that's why I had to pay. That my dad had to pay because it was stressing you. Because you didn't want me here.
Well, it's not a matter of saying you have to pay for the stress. It was a whole heap of work. First of all, okay, I never want you here.
Oh! Got him! Got him!
I am just talking to you. No.
You
Sit
just
down.
said that you never wanted me here.
Yeah, I never want you here, but you come here. You give me a lot of stress.
Wow.
You don't do nothing.
You've never wanted me here.
No.
This whole time I thought that you were being genuine. I thought that you wanted me
Well-
here. I thought that you were just so loving
Well,
and caring to everybody.
I was loving and caring. I am loving and caring.
But
to
it was
you.
an act.
No, it wasn't an act. It wasn't an act. I was loving and caring. But it's not that I want you here. So I make your dad know that him had to pay me. And him had to pay me hella money to keep you here because it wasn't
that
free.
bad. I wasn't that bad.
It was bad. You were bad. You were bad. You don't clean your room. You don't clean your room. Me have to cook. Me have to clean. Me have to do your laundry. When me do your laundry, don't fold it up. My girl, you was a problem.
You're making it.
You was a
Okay.
you was
That's
a
okay, Grandma.
problem.
You don't want me here. I will never come back here ever again.
Well, that's okay. If that's how you feel, you know, when me not done talk to you yet. I'm not finished talking to you yet.
Well, I'm done talking to you. You don't want me here.
Why?
I'm gonna go.
Why? Because why you gonna don't talk to me?
You don't want me here, so I'm gonna go.
Okay, and if you sit back, don't let me finish what me have to say.
What more do you
First,
have to say?
first you
What
say
more
you
do
can't.
have to say?
First you said you can't angle the truth. First you
Okay,
said
I
you
said you
can't
can
angle the truth.
You don't want me here. That's the truth. Okay, I'm gone.
Cyan, I need to talk to you. I am talking to
Grandma,
you.
where's my jacket?
Which jacket?
Where is my black jacket? I'm leaving.
I don't know which jacket you're talking about.
Okay, what are you trying to say right now?
What I'm trying to say to you right now is that you have to do better than the way all you're doing. I'm talking to you, you're just walking away, so you're gone. Or you're gone and me and you talk.
You just said that you don't want me here and you've never wanted
What
me.
that was from
So now you want
before?
me here now?
Huh?
So now you want me here now?
Well, you don't live here no more. You're going home back to your father. So now you just come visit. And after you visit, then you just visit and then you go. No, me not fear. I stress out myself, so me have to deal with you.
Okay.
You understand me? So,
I understand.
you understand?
Mm-hmm.
So let me ask you something now. How do you feel?
I feel like I want to go home.
You feel like you want to go home?
Yes.
Well, sweetheart, this is a hang by your ass. This is
Whoa! Daddy! Where are you? Don't go to
Why are
me.
you still
Where are
here?
yeah.
Where
I'm
are
still
you?
here because me and him cook up this for you.
Where are you?
Me ask him to help me with
Girl,
this
I'm
for
done.
you.
I'm so done.
I saw it work, baby girl. I saw it work.
You
You
guys-
give it, you have to be able to take it.
Okay.
I mean,
I'm
I
done
tell
with
you,
this.
say,
I'm
this is
done
the one
with
you
this.
hot like a scotch bonnet pepper under your ass.
Okay.
Hold that. Okay. Cyan, come here.
What do you want?
Guys, look at her. Listen, guys, I love my Sai. I love her very much. But you know what?
me too.
She always come with her something. So I just decide, say, you know what? It's my time now for
That
run
was not no
something, but
funny prank.
me I just decide, say, it's my time now for run a prank pan. She, you understand me? And me just get daddy deal,
Ah! You guys see the bag?
I got Dolly
You know.
Dolly Dilo
Who's in the building?
get violence. That is violence.
Look at that, they look like twins.
Yes. Dolly Dilo gonna get violence fear. Yep. See violence there?
She needs to go. Why is she still here?
The violence is here.
Cyan, how do you feel? How do you feel? Oh, don't beat her like that.
So guys, what you guys have to do, you know, forget the whole workout of this video. You have to go down to Daddy Dilo TV and see for him first off, and then I'll come back for mine. Come finish it up, guys. So anyway, guys, I want you guys to like, subscribe, and hit that post notification belly thing of mine's there.
Now,
okay?
guys, come on. I have to ask you guys, are you not entertained? Because this is Mama Joan's house. Let's go. You want to kiss violin?